Welcome. If you've ever muted someone's story on Facebook and now want to check back in on what they've been posting, this video will walk you through the simple steps to view stories you muted, updated for the latest version of the Facebook app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your settings. Once the app is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is your main menu button. Go ahead and tap it. Next, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap that option and then tap Settings. This will take you out to the main settings page where all of your Facebook controls are located. From here, scroll down until you see the section called Audience and Visibility. Under this category, you'll find Stories. Tap on Stories to open up all the options related to your story, preferences, and visibility. Now, you'll need to scroll down again until you reach Stories you muted. This is the place where Facebook keeps track of all the stories you've chosen to hide in the past. Tap View and you'll see a list of all the people or pages whose stories you have muted. At this point, you can choose to unmute stories if you want to start seeing them again. Just tap on the person or page you want to unmute and select the unmute option. When you do this, their stories will start appearing in your feed just like before. And that's it. You've successfully viewed and managed your muted stories on Facebook. The process is quick, and once you know where to look, it only takes a minute or two. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.